Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2 to do explain lesson number 4 from Master book, unit number 3, the perpendicular projections and Euclid's theorem. Do you remember Pythagoras theorem? We studied before Pythagoras theorem and today we'll explain Euclid's theorem. In the first, you must know the projection of any point. Like this, the point doesn't point to the straight line, then the projection it will be perpendicular to the point E, projection E dash. When pointing to the straight line, then the projection of the point E on the straight line L is the same point. It will be itself. The projection of line segment all the time less than or equal to the original sides. The projection of line segment or straight line is the line segment whose endpoints are the projection of the endpoints of the original line segment on the straight line. Like this, if E be perpendicular to the straight line, this image will be point T here because it was perpendicular. The projection of point A will be dash and B will be dash. Projection of EB it will be EB dash because E pointed to straight line L, the image of point A it will be the same point, and EB parallel to A dash B dash it will be the image. They are equivalent because EB parallel to L, and EB less than here EB will not parallel, so the length of E dash B dash less than side, then EB less than E dash B dash. By the projection we have the relation between the point E will be E dash and B will be B dash, and then all the time we have the relation between the image and the point. The image all the time less than or equal to the line segments, then E dash B dash less than EB, okay? But it will be, the length will be 0 if it will be perpendicular like this. So the length of the projection of a line segment or straight line is less than or equal to the line segment of itself, less than or equal to. Next question. This question of solution. Okay, is the projection of one, we can find the answer. You can read the question. Okay, I will explain down another question to solve with you. Okay, this question will solve it. You can solve it by yourself. I will solve with you. Try to solve number 1. We have right angle triangle here at T and give me AC was 8 cm and want to find the length of projection of EB on AC. Okay, first step. I want to find the projection of EB on AC. Then I will put the ruler AC to find the projection. Okay, use ruler to draw the projection. Okay, listen to me about the steps. We have right angle triangle here. We have A, D, and C, and you want to find the perpendicular of AB on AC. Put the line segment or straight line in AC and find the projection of AB. We have here point B, point E. Then I want to find the projection of AB on AC. Put the ruler here at AC here. Look, he wants to find the image of what? AB. The image of A will be A because A belonging to the image of point A will be A, and the image of point B here perpendicular to E. Then the result will be A. This the projection. The length of projection EE. How we can find the length of projection? We have two sides are equal lengths here, and BD perpendicular to EC. Then it will be bisect space, and the length will be 4 centimeter. The length here will be 4 centimeter and this 4 centimeter. This is the first question. Second question down, number 2, the length of projection of BE on AC. BE on AC. Okay. BE on what? AC. Put the line segment, straight line in AC. Look at here, BE perpendicular to AC. Then the length of projection it will be 0. Then the length will be what? 0. The solution will be 0 because the projection will be equal E. Then the length of projection of BE to AC, BE perpendicular to AC, then the result will be what? 0. The length will be 0 of the projection. Next question. Euclid's theorem. It's an important theorem. Okay, pay attention with me. The area of square drawn on drawing on one of the two sides of right angle triangle like AC. The right angle triangle equals the area of rectangle whose dimensions are the length of projection of its side on the hypotenuse and the length of hypotenuse. What's the meaning of this? Here, if you want AC power 2 equals CD product by CP. I will write the all steps here to understood. If we have right angle triangle here like this, and this is perpendicular to the base like A, B, C, and here D, then EB power 2 equals the projection BD product by BC, and EC power 2 equals CD product by CB, and AD was equal EB times AC over CB. You must know this rule, okay? It's a rule to find the answer here. Then the area of square we're drawing in on one of two sides of right angle triangle equals the area of rectangle whose dimensions are the length of this projection of sides of hypotenuse and the length of the other. BD product by CB. Next question down. We have right angle triangle also. ED power 2 equal product between two projection BD product by DC. B product by EC divided by hypotenuse EC equal D. Prove that from Pythagoras theorem. Question will solve it. You can read it. Okay, I will solve with you. Try to solve number 2. You want to find the length of EC here. From Euclid's theorem, we have right angle triangle here, and this was perpendicular to the base. We have EC and D and B. Then EC power 2 will be equal CD, the conjunct product by the hypotenuse CB. Then we can write CD. Give me the information here. This example, it was 15 and 25. We can find EC from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I write EC from Pythagoras theorem. Then we can write EC power 2 equal hypotenuse power 2, 25 power 2 subtract by 15 power 2. Don't need Iqlidis now because we have two dimensions in right angle triangle. He gave me AB was 15 centimeter and the base was 25 centimeter. Once we have right angle triangles, then EC power 2 equal 25 power 2, 625 subtracted by 15 power 2, 225. The difference between them equal 400. Then EC equal square root of 400 equal 20 centimeters. Then EC equal 20 centimeters. Then he won't find the length of ED. We can find the length of ED by product by EC product by ED divided by 25. We can find the length here 20, right? 20 times 15 over 25, right? 25 and right here 0 and 30. 300 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25, 4 times 3 equal 12. Then the result will be 12 centimeter. Then to find ED, you must product EC by EB divided by CB. Next question. We can find the length of X and Y and Z. How we can find this? Give me the base 40 and this 24. We can find CA from Pythagoras theorem. We know EC power 2 equal 40 power 2 subtracted by 24 power 2, right? Double 0 and 4 times 4 equals 16 subtracted by 24 times 4 times itself will be 567. Okay, you can use calculator to find the answer. Then EC equals square root of the answer is 32 centimeter. Then Z will be 32 centimeter. Now we can find what? We can find Y. Product between 24 to find Y. Product 24 by Z. Z was 32 over 40. and then find the answer by using calculator. The result will be 19.2. Product by 24 and 32 and then divided by 40. It's y. And what about x? We can write x from Euclid's theorem. Right here z power 2. Look at here, z power 2 equal x times 40. Then x will be equal z power 2 32 power 2 divided by 40. Then we can write 32 times itself, 32 times 32, and then divided by 40. The result will be 25 and 6 tenths centimeter. From Euclid's theorem we can solve this question. Question down. Rule, you must know this rule, okay? To find the side lengths you can use Euclid's theorem and Pythagoras theorem also. This question we can find x by write the rule 12 power 2 from Euclid's theorem equals the conjunct x product by the hypotenuse 18. Then x equal 12 power 2 over 18. You can write 12 power 2 divided by 18. By using calculator, the result will be 8 centimeter. And next question number 2. This is question number 1, okay? Number 2, we can find also x. We know x power 2, look at here. X power 2 equal 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36, then x equals square root of 36 equals 6 centimeter. Next question. We know 10 equal 10 power 2 equal 5 product by x, then 10 power 2 100 equal 5 times x, then x equal 20. Now we can find the length of x. How this? We have here 10 segment and here 8. We can find ux from Pythagoras theorem, it will be 6 centimeter. And you can write x power 2 equal tw times this side length. First step, I will find the length here. Or this, we have right angle triangle and this perpendicular. We have 8 centimeter, and here v and t and u. We have x and here 10 centimeter. First step, we can find this 6 centimeter of Euclid's Pythagoras theorem. 10 power 2 subtracted by 8 power 2 and then find square root, it will be 6. Now we can find x. How? We can write first the base here, and if we want the base we can find this line segment here. We can find the base, we can write 10 power 2, it will be 100 equals the conjunct 8 product by vt. Then vt equal 100 divided by 8 equal 12.5. Then line segment we have here 8 and this all 12.5. 12.5 subtract from 8, it will be 4.5. We can find x from Pythagoras theorem. X equal square root of, we can write 4.5 power 2 and 6 power 2 and then find the collective. 6 power 2 is 36 and 4.2 power 2. It will be 20 and 25 hundredths plus 36 is this. Then x equals square root of the answer. It will be 7.5 centimeters. In the length here will be 7.5. Next example, we can find zy from Pythagoras theorem. 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2 and then find square root. The result will be 10. And x from Euclid's theorem, write the product between two sides, 6 product by 8 divided by 10. The result will be 4.8 centimeter. Now we can find the length of x here also by write 45 power 2. Look at here, 45 power 2 equal x product by the sum of x and 48 plus 48. Then 45 power 2 equivalent. You know the steps again. 45 power 2 equal x times the sum of x and 48, and then we can solve this equation. 45 power 2, it will be 2025 equal x times x, it will be x power 2, and x times 48 will be 48x. We can factorize x by using calculator. X power 2 plus 48x subtract by 2025 equals 0. You can use a calculator, write mode here and the equation number 5, write the function number 3, write the coefficient here of x power 2 1, and the coefficient here 48, and the coefficient here negative 2025, and the value of x will be 27, okay, and negative 27 undefined, then x equal 27. You can use calculator to find the answer in one step, okay. Next question down here, you won't find x and y and z. We can find x first. X power 2 equal 32 times 18, then x equals square root of 32 times 18. 32 times 18 is 24 centimeter, is the value of x. We can find y also. We know y power 2 equal projection 18, and 18 plus 32 is 50. Then y equals square root of 18 times 50. We can find square root of two numbers here. And y here will be 30 centimeter. Square root of 18 times 50. The result will be 30 centimeter. And also z power 2 from Euclid's theorem. Z power 2 is a projection 32 produced by the hypotenuse 32 plus 18 is 50. Then you can use calculator. Square root of 32 times 50, and z will be 40 centimeter. Next question, we can write here on z and x and y. We can find first z from Pythagoras theorem. Z power 2 equal 6 power 2 plus 9 power 2. Okay, from Euclid's theorem, from right angle triangle. Write 9 power 2 plus 6 power 2, and then find the square root. Square root of 81 plus 36. Result will be 3 root 13 centimeters in the z. We can find also x. Write 6 power 2 equal x times 9. 6 power 2 36. X product by 9 is 36. Then x equals 36 divided by 9 will equal 4 centimeter. Then x will be 4 centimeter. Now we can find y. Look at here. Y power 2 equal x product by, we know x was 4. Okay, y power 2 equal x product by x plus 9. We know x equal 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Understood? We found here the length was what? I will draw here to understood. I found this line segment 4. Then this line segment y power 2 equal 4 product by 9 plus 4 is 13. Then square root of 4 times 13, value equal to square root of 13. The value of y equal to product by square root of 13 is the value of y. We found z also and x. We have x. Yes, we have x and z and y. Next question, we can find also here by relation. We have 7, this x, this, we can write 7 root 6 power 2 equals the conjunct x product by x plus 7. X here plus 7 is the hypotenuse. Then you can use calculator. 7 power 2 times 6, 49 times 6 equal 294 equal x times x power 2 plus 7x. Then x power 2 plus 7x minus 294, it will be equal 0. You can factorize this by using calculator. Raise mode here and equation 5 and number 3. Mode 5 3, mode 5 3. Okay, raise the coefficient 1 and 7 and negative 294. Then the first here x will be 14. We found here x 14. You can write y. Y power 2 equals the conjunct here 7 product by 7 plus 14 equal 21. Y equal, okay, we can find square root 7 times 21. The result will be 7 root 3. We found here x and y.